Hey team, so today I'm going to show you what the difference is between a video link and a video that's embedded. Okay, so I just clicked a random folder on my Schoology account. If you want to add an assignment, so you add an assignment and you want them to watch a video and answer a question, or you want them to watch a video and answer a document that you gave them. So I'm going to title it video for today. Now when you insert, let me go back. You're going to YouTube or wherever you're going to find your video from, and you're going to click on whatever video you want them to see. It's gonna play the video for you, and right here it says watchable by publicschools.org. So this one's okay for them to see. If you find one that you really like and it hasn't been approved, you can always approve it. So there will be a little box here that says approve, and make sure you click on that, because then Schoology won't allow you to post it. Make sure you click allow. So if you want to share this, right, you click share and it automatically takes you to the link. So all you do is copy, you go back to Schoology, on insert content, you can click link. And it's gonna make you write your link, so you just paste it and title it whatever you want to title it, video. And what this does is that it hyperlinks this, so you can put please watch this. So please watch this, and then when you insert the link, sorry, I deleted it by accident. Video, it'll continue your sentence, but it'll hyperlink it by the end of the class period. Okay, so this is one way of putting a link in it. Another way is that you can also link it in the bottom. So here's where you have the link or embedded code. I'll put the link too, that way you can see it, and I'll put video. Okay, and it'll show up like this. Or you can also embed it, and this is what embedded does. If you go back to the video that you want and you click share, on embedded right here, embedded always looks like these two less than greater signs. So you're going to click on them, and this right here, you're just going to copy it. So it's like a bigger code. And you're going to go back and you're going to paste the embedded code on here. And you can title it whatever you want, and you attach it, okay? So let me show you how this looks differently. Make sure you put ungraded for now, so we get access to the categories, and you create. Now your assignment will pop up right here. When you click it, you have 3 ways of showing this, okay? This one, the link that you created here, if they click on this, it'll take them out of Schoology and into the YouTube page, okay? So that's gonna be like another step for them, and then you have to go back. The bottom link that I did is also the same thing. So you click on there and it'll take you out of Schoology and going to YouTube. If you embedded, it's already on here. So this is the embedded code I gave you guys, or YouTube gave us. And when they play it, it plays on Schoology. Alright guys, so that's the difference between how to add a video link and how to add an embedded code for your videos and your assignments.